Hello, Jay from Tribal Moon Cacao here. Welcome to day number 7 of the free 10-part Ceremonial Grade Cacao course. Today is one of the more juicier episodes. Today I'm going to be talking about cacao with sex magic and intimacy for couples and individuals. If you'd like to get this full 10-part free course, jump on our website, tribalmooncacao.com, sign up to the mailing list and you will receive it in your inbox. And of course, if you'd like to assist us in sharing this content with epic humans worldwide, please like the video, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel. So let's get to it. So cacao with sex magic and intimacy. Why is cacao so popular with couples? Literally every day I get emails through Tribal Moon Cacao for our medicine and the profound impact that it has had on their sex lives. So in this video I'm going to go into a bit of detail about why this is and these little things that all add up to make a big difference in that department. Number one, I think really when people use cacao, they'll usually drop in with more presence straight away. So, rather than like having an alcoholic beverage or something like that, where it's actually taking your presence away and there's no kind of ceremonial aspect around it, when you're having cacao, straight away there's that dropping into ceremony. With couples, what they're often doing and what I like to do is to drop into that ceremonial space, to sit there with your beloved in the cacao and give gratitude. So it'll often bring up those things to actually speak to each other about what they appreciate about each other. So creating that presence and that closeness, I think presence is the key in communication. So taking that moment to drop in with your beloved, take that moment to smell the cacao, to breathe the cacao together, to give gratitude for this experience. Ceremonial grade cacao is full of anandamide, which is the love drug. Now this is where things really heat up, guys, because what this does is it has that profound heart opening aspect. Now, as I've spoken about again in other videos with theobromine and all these things, it's opening that heart space to really connect and really receive. So you're being filled with the love drug basically to make you feel that sensation of love and kindness and compassion and closeness. Now this is again where it really makes a difference in that intimacy, because as soon as we start drinking the cacao together and being in presence with each other, we're really tuning into that feeling with each other. Now not only energetically do you feel that, but physically you become more sensitive. So things like touch and movement and slowness and sensuality all start to become more relevant and more sensitive. So that and the effects of the theobromine in ceremonial grade cacao and how it increases the blood flow. Obviously increasing the blood flow in these kind of intimate experiences is not a bad thing. It's only going to make things more intense, more sensitive again. Increasing blood flow to the brain makes us more aware and more focused on what's going on, again more present with what's going on, and just I believe everything is heightened, and that's what I get told most of all is this in heightened sensations that people are having in all senses of, whether it be orgasmic bliss or just the feeling of touch or the feeling of openness to receive or the feeling of openness to give. It's all enhanced. So guys, if you haven't already, I highly recommend to try experimenting with ceremonial grade cacao with your beloved, also for yourself with your own self practices and these sorts of things. It's an incredibly powerful thing to incorporate. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. In the next videos I'm going to be talking about cacao more with anxiety and depression specifically. I'll also be talking about the ritual aspects of ceremonial grade cacao and the magic of ceremonial grade cacao. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you so much.